नमस्कार. गोंयभरांतल्या सगळे SSC भुरग्यांक आनीक तांच्या पालकांक येवकार. एकूच सुरवेक एक क्लॅरिफिकेशन दिता की वेबएक्सा वरवीं आमी तुमचे कडेन भासाभास करपाचें आशिल्लें, पूण तें शक्य जालें ना कारण कांय तकनिकी खराबी किंवा बरी गजाल एक्चुअली जितले पार्टिसिपंट्स कॅपेसिटी आशिल्ली ताच्या भायर चड पार्टिसिपंट्स मेळ्ळे. ताजे खातीर एक विनंती आसा, जे कोण वेबएक्साचेर आसा तांणी सगळ्यांनी CMO युट्यूबाचेर वा CMO गोवा फेसबूक पेजीचेर वचचें आनी हो कार्यक्रम लायव्ह आसा. सुरवेक सगळेचे अभिनंदन करता. लागीं 24,000 आनीक चड भुरगे SSC पास जाल्यात, आपल्या परिश्रमान पास जाल्यात, अभ्यास करून पास जाल्यात. पूण कदाचित तुमच्या मुखार एखादो प्रस्न आसत, नक्कीच आसतलो पालकां मुखार आनी भुरग्यां मुखार, की मुखार कितें? 10वी पास जाल्या, मुखार आमचें शिक्षण जातलें काय ना, कशें जातलें? ह्या संदर्भात खुद्द मुखेलमंत्र्यांनीच पुढाकार घेवन वेगवेगळे कार्यावळी आंखल्यात. तुमकां याद जातली सगळ्यांक की फाटले कांय दिसां आदीं जेन्ना निकाल लागलो, रिजल्ट लागलो SSCच्या गोवा बोर्डाचो, तेन्ना मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी म्हणिल्लें की सगळ्यांक करियर गायडन्स करपाक जाय. तशें तांणी इन्स्ट्रक्शन्स दिले आनी आज तांणी स्वता हातून इंट्रस्ट घेवन स्वता मुखेलमंत्री आज तुमचे बरोबर उलयतले. आमचे बरोबर आसात गोंय राज्याचे मानाधीक मुखेलमंत्री डॉ. प्रमोदजी सावंत. तुमचो चड वेळ घेनासतना हांव डायरेक्ट तांचे कडेन वता. प्रमोदजी सावंत, तुमचें स्वागत आसा. आनी तुमचे कडेन मागता की आज सबंद गोंयच्या लागीं 24,000 भुरग्यांक तुमी SSCच्या नंतर जे वेगवेगळे कोर्सीस आसा ताजे बद्दल गायडन्स करात.
नमस्कार. CMO गोवा आनी डायरेक्टर ऑफ एड्युकेशन हांच्या वतीन आयोजीत केल्ल्या ह्या करियर गायडन्स प्रोग्रामाक आज सगळ्यात पयलीं हांव समेस्त सगळ्या म्हज्या युवा मित्र आनी मैत्रिणींचे ज्यांच्यांनी 10वी पास केली तांचे खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता. जे चुकून एक 65 भुरगे फक्त फेल जाल्या तांच्यांनी बी खंय तरी आपल्या कमी समस्यांनी परत एकदा 10वीची एग्जाम अपियर जावन तांच्यांनी बी पास जावचें, तांकांय म्हज्यो शुभेच्छा. खूब जाणांक प्रश्न पडटा की 10वी जाल्या उपरांत कितें करचें, आनी बऱ्याचशा जाणांच्या फुडें हांव हायर सेकंडरी करतलो, हांव कॉलेज करतलो, आनी अंडर पियर प्रेशर जाका आमी म्हणटा आर्ट्स, सायन्स, कॉमर्स किंवा वॉकेशनल ह्योच ब्रांचीस आमकां सदोदीत दिसता आनी सगळे जाण फक्त आर्ट्स, सायन्स, कॉमर्स हाज्याच खातीर एडमिशन घेता. योगायोगान हांवें पळयलें की डिप्लोमा खातीर वचपी खूब कमी भुरगे आसता, किंवा हे फावटी आमी ठरयलें 10वेच्या उपरांत गोंयांत कशा पद्दतीच्यो करियर संदी आसा ह्यो सगळ्यांच्या भुरग्यांच्या समोर, भुरग्यांच्या पॅरंट्सांच्या समोर दवरच्यो. हाज्या खातीर CMOन इनिशिएटिव्स घेतली आनी म्हाज्या उपरांत हो कंटिन्युअसली टॉक एक वरभर चलतलो. तातूंतल्यान आमचे डायरेक्टर ऑफ एड्युकेशनच्या वतीन श्री मनोज सावयकर, एसिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ डायरेक्टर एड्युकेशन, ह्या हायर सेकंडरी लेवलाचेर जे वेगवेगळे कोर्सीस आसा आनी तेचे फुडार कितें हाजेर ते मार्गदर्शन करतले. डायरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्निकल एड्युकेशन हे टेक्निकल कोर्सीस खंयचे आसात जेंकां आमकां 10वेच्या उपरांत एडमिशन घेवपाक मेळटा. हाज्या खातीर तुमच्या मदीं उलयतले डॉ. दीपक CS गायतोंडे, जे चेअरमॅन आसात स्टेट लेवल एडमिशन कमिटी फॉर द डिग्री एंड डिप्लोमा. आमी 10वेच्या उपरांतूय बी वेरियस डिप्लोमा कोर्सीस जे गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या पॉलिटेक्निकांनी एवेलेबल आसा तांकांय आमी एडमिशन्स घेतल्यार जाता. ताज्या खातीर खास करून डॉ. दीपक बाब हे तुमकां मार्गदर्शन करतले. टेक्निकल कोर्सीस इन इंडस्ट्रियल ट्रेनिंग इन्स्टिट्यूट म्हणजेच आमी म्हणटा ITI. ह्या ITIनूय बी खंयच्या पद्दतीचे कोर्सीस आसा. इट इज नॉट जस्ट ITI म्हटल्या उपरांत आमी निग्लेक्ट करपाक शकना, किंवा फक्त कोण तरी 10वी एवरेज पास जाता, 10वी चुकून फेल जाता तांच्यांनीच ITI करपाक जाय अशें ना. ITI केल्ल्याय भुरग्यांचो बरो फुडार आसा आनी गोंयांतल्या प्रत्येक तालुक्यांत आमचे कडेन ITI एवेलेबल आसा. ITI केल्या उपरांत फुडार कितें आनी खंयच्या पद्दतीचे ITI कोर्सीस आमच्या कडेन एवेलेबल आसा ताजेर तुमच्या कडेन उलयतले बाब राजेश लोलयेकर, एसिस्टंट डायरेक्टर फॉर द डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रिनर्स. हाज्या व्यतिरिक्त आमच्या कडेन टेक्निकल कोर्सीस इन मरीटायम इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ बिट्टोणा, म्हणजे आमी जो सेलर पोस्ट आसतलो किंवा ज्या सेलर जावपा खातीर ताका लागपी वेरियस कोर्सीस आसा, तेतूर मिस्टर रुपेश शेट, द प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द मरीटायम स्कूल बिट्टोणा, हे आमच्या मदीं आसात. ते तुमकां मार्गदर्शन करतले. आमी खरें म्हटल्यार डायरेक्टर ऑफ एड्युकेशन आनी एड्युकेशन डेव्हलपमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन हांच्या वतीन सगळ्या स्कुलांनी प्रत्येक फावटी करियर गायडन्स ह्या विशयाचेर CD पावयल्या आनी स्कुलाच्या टिचरांची रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आशिल्ली की पेरंट्स आनी टिचर्स हांच्यांनी भुरग्यांक आनी पेरंट्सांक करियराचेर मार्गदर्शन करचें आनी ताच्या खातीर एप्टिट्यूड टेस्ट आनी करियर कावन्सिलींग हे प्रत्येक भुरग्याक कंपल्सरी करचें. गेल्या वर्सा मॅक्झिमम भुरग्यांनी एप्टिट्यूड टेस्ट दिल्ली, तांचो करियर कावन्सिलींगूय केल्लें. ह्या वर्सा हांवें काल रिव्यू घेतलो त्या प्रमाणे 50% स्टुडंट्सांनी आपली करियर एप्टिट्यूड टेस्ट ही टॅलिफोनिकली काय आसना, बट आमच्या काही टिचर्स तेंच्या पर्यंत पावल्या. हांवें डायरेक्टर ऑफ एड्युकेशनाक अजुनूय सांगलां की 100% भुरग्यां पर्यंत एप्टिट्यूड टेस्ट आनी करियर कावन्सिलींग हे तांकां गायडन्स करपा खातीर आमच्या स्कुलांतले टिचर्स आसतले, स्कुलांतले कावन्सिलर्स आसतले, ह्या सगळ्यांनी सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सां पर्यंत पावचें. बट तरी सुद्दां आयच्या ह्या व्हर्च्युअल टॉकांतल्या माध्यमांतल्यान सगळ्या समेस्त गोंयांतल्या भुरग्यांक तांचो बरो फुडार घडोवपा खातीर आनी मुख्यमंत्री ह्या नात्यान म्हाका दिसता की गोंयच्या प्रत्येक भुरग्याचो फुडार घडपाक जाय. इधर ताका जॉब मेळपाक जाय किंवा तेणी सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयमेंट सुरू करपाक जाय. मागीर चलो आसूं किंवा चली आसूं, सगळ्यांचो फुडार जावप हो गरजेचो आसा आनी ताकाच लागून 10वे उपरांतलो करियर हो तितकोच म्हत्वाचो आसा. म्हणूनच तर हो कार्यक्रम आमी आयोजीत केला. हे सांगता आसतना एक गजाल हांव मुद्दामून मेन्शन करता, जी गजाल बरेचशे फावटी तेजो कमी अवेरनेस म्हाका स्वता टिचर्सांच्याय मदीं आनी पेरंट्सांच्याय मदीं दिसून येयलो. एकदां 10वी फेल जाल्या उपरांत आमी पळयता की परत तो खुबशे फावटी गोवा बोर्डाच्या एग्जामीक भुरगो बसता, बट बरेचशे फावटी 10वी पास जावपाक शकना. आमी पळयलें की आज गव्हर्मेंट जॉब किंवा खंयसरूय जर प्रायवेट सॅक्टरांत सुद्दां वयतलो आसत जाल्यार ताका 10वी पास ही सर्टिफिकेट कंपल्सरी लागता. इवन दो फॉर द ड्रायविंग लायसन 10th पास ही सर्टिफिकेट कंपल्सरी लागता आनी ताकाच लागून मागीर गोवा बोर्ड सोडून आमी वेरियस बोर्डाचे ऑप्शन चूज करता आनी त्या वेरियस बोर्डाच्या एग्जामीक बसता. पण आमकां गोवा बोर्डाच्या वतीन जी संद आसा की एक्सटर्नल कॅन्डिडेट म्हणून बसपाक, त्या खातीर एखाद्या वेळी 8वी पास आसत किंवा 10वी फेल जाल्लो भुरगो आसत जाल्यार तेणी ITAत एडमिशन घेवं येता आनी जेणी 2 वर्साची ITI NCVT किंवा SCVT हे जे कोर्सीस आसात त्या 2 वर्साची ITI जर पास केली जाल्यार डायरेक्टली त्या भुरग्याक, त्या स्टुडंटाक 10thच्या एग्जामीक एक्सटर्नल स्टुडंट म्हणून फक्त 2 सब्जेक्ट घेवन बसपाची संद आसा, लँग्वेज 1 एंड लँग्वेज 2 किंवा लँग्वेज 3, म्हणजे जेणे करून तो डायरेक्टली ताका गोवा बोर्डाची 10th पास ही सर्टिफिकेट मेळूं शकता पास जाल्या उपरांत. अदरवायज जर फक्त एका वर्साची ITI जर तेणी कंप्लीट केल्ली आसत जाल्यार प्लस 1 year एप्रेंटिसशीप सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम ट्रेन सर्टिफिकेट फ्रॉम द एम्प्लॉयमेंट एज अ एप्रेंटिसशीप सर्टिफिकेट जाल्यार 1 year ITI प्लस एप्रेंटिसशीप सर्टिफिकेट आनी तेणी सेम वे गोवा बोर्डाचो एक्सटर्नल स्टुडंट म्हणून लँग्वेज 1 प्लस लँग्वेज 2 दोनूच पेपर दिल्या उपरांत ताका 10th पास ही सर्टिफिकेट मेळूं येता. म्हणून जे आतां पर्यंत फक्त 8वीत पास जाल्ले आसा किंवा चुकून ह्या 2-3 वर्सां पयलीं 10वी फेल जाल्ले आसा त्या भुरग्यांक ITI करूनय बी ITI पास प्लस 10th पास ही सर्टिफिकेट मेळपाची संद आसा. बऱ्याचशा जाणांनी गोवा बोर्डाक ताच्या खातीर एक्सटर्नली खंयच्याच स्कुला कडल्यान सुद्दां न वता एक्सटर्नल स्टुडंट म्हणून कॉन्टॅक्ट करूं येता आनी गोवा बोर्डाच्या वतीन ह्या एग्जामीक बसपाक जाता. थोडे जाण जे 12वी चुकून फेल जाता किंवा 10वेच्या उपरांत आमकां बऱ्याच जाणांक दिसता की आपल्याक 12वी पास जालो जाल्यारूच खंय तरी LDCची नोकरी मेळटली किंवा आपल्याक ITI केलो जाल्यार ती मेळूंक शकना. अशा स्टुडंट्सां खातीर संद आसा. खरें म्हटल्यार हे नोटिफिकेशन आमी खूब पयलीं काडलेलें आसा. इट इज इन द 2017नूच 10वी पास जाल्या उपरांत आमकां 11वी 12वी हीच करपाक जाय अशी गरज ना. तांच्यांनी 2 वर्साची ITI इट इज NCVT किंवा SCVT ही डायरेक्टली NCVT 2 वर्साची ITI पास केली आणि जर टुवेल्थाची फक्त लँग्वेज 1 किंवा कम्युनिकेशन स्किल अँड लँग्वेज 2 हे जर पेपर पास केले डायरेक्टली टुवेल्थाचो एक्सटर्नल स्टुडंट म्हणून, जाल्यार ताज्या खातीर ताका डायरेक्टली ITI प्लस हायर सेकंडरी पासिंग सर्टिफिकेट ह्यो दोनूय मेळूं शकता. म्हणून तर म्हाका दिसता की ITI पास बट एकाच वर्सात टुवेल्थ पासूय बी ही सर्टिफिकेट आमकां मेळूं शकता. अशा सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सांनी जांकां ITI करून टुवेल्थ पास जावपाची संद आसा तांच्यांनी गोवा बोर्डाक एक्सटर्नल स्टुडंट म्हणूनय संपर्क करूं येता, जेणे करून आमी ITI केले म्हणजे आमकां इक्विवेलन्सी सर्टिफिकेट फॉर द गोवा बोर्ड ही मेळची ना अशा पद्दतीचो चुकीचो समज जर कोणाच्या तकलेंत आसत जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी तो काडून उडोवचो. आमकां गोवा बोर्डाची म्हणजे 10th पास आनी 12th पास अशा पद्दतीत सर्टिफिकेट मेळूं शकता. हांवें हे इतक्याच खातीर मुद्दामून मेन्शन केलें कारण हे टॅक्निकल युग आसा आनी त्या खातीर ITIतले वेरियस कोर्सीस हेका खूब मोठ्या प्रमाणात स्कोप आसा. आनी एडिशनल एट अ टायम जर आमकां 2 सर्टिफिकेट्स मेळटा, ITI पासूय सर्टिफिकेट मेळटा प्लस गोवा बोर्डाची 12th पास सर्टिफिकेट मेळटा आसत जाल्यार अशा पद्दतीची संद घेवपाक कांयच हरकत ना, कारण आमच्या कडेन ITIत वेगवेगळ्या पद्दतीचे कोर्सीस एवेलेबल आसा. अजून एक हांव मुद्दामून जें नोटिफिकेशन आतां पर्यंत खुबश्या भुरग्यां पर्यंत पावूंक ना तें आमी 2012त गोंय सरकारांत काडलेलें नोटिफिकेशन आसा. खूब जाण भुरगे हे फक्त आतां पर्यंत आर्ट्स सायन्स कॉमर्स हेकाच एडमिशन घेवपाक सोदता. ह्या सगळ्या भुरग्यांनी जे आमचे डिप्लोमा कोर्सीस आसा जे 3 वर्साचे कोर्सीस आसा आनी डिप्लोमा कोर्सीस पास जाल्या उपरांत वीच इज इक्विवेलन्सी टू 12th पास म्हणजे ग्रूप C ह्या कॅटेगरींतल्या खंयच्याय पोस्टाक डिप्लोमा केल्ल्या भुरग्याक एप्लाय करपाक हरकत ना, तो एप्लाय करपाक इलिजिबल आसा इन शॉर्ट हांव म्हणटलो. म्हणून तर आमी डिप्लोमा इंजिनियरींग जावं ते डिप्लोमा सिवील आसूं किंवा डिप्लोमा मेकॅनिकल आसूं हे भुरगे क्लास C म्हणजे खंयच्याय LDC लेवलाच्या पोस्टाक सुद्दां गव्हर्मेंटांत एप्लाय करपाक शकता. म्हणून म्हाजी पेरंट्सांक सगळ्यांक रिक्वेस्ट आसा आनी सगळ्या स्टुडंट्सांकूय रिक्वेस्ट आसा, तुमकां जर टॅक्निकल क्षेत्राची आवड आसत जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी अवश्य डिप्लोमा खातीर एडमिशन घेवचें, जेणे करून 3 वर्सांनी तांच्या खातीर आमी डिप्लोमा पास जाल्या उपरांत वीच इज इक्विवेलंट टू द 12th स्टँडर्ड ही इक्विवेलन्सी येता. हाज्या पलीकडे एडिशनली हांव सांगतलो इन फ्युचर ताका जर दिसलें की आपूण रेगुलर कॉलेज कंप्लीट करची जाल्यार ताका रेगुलर फर्स्ट इयरा खातीर सुद्दां एडमिशन घेवपाची संद म्हणजे BA आसूं किंवा BCom आसूं रिस्पेक्टेड सब्जेक्ट्स जर ते आसत आनी सब्जेक्ट जरी नासले जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी कॉलेजीक एडमिशन घेवपा खातीर तांकां कोण आडोवं शकना, तांकां एडमिशनूय मेळटा. द प्लस तांकां कन्सर्न डिग्री कॉलेजीस इन प्रोफेशनल कॉलेजींनी तांकां सेकंड इयराकूय एडमिशन मेळटा. आमी त्या खातीर म्हाका दिसता ह्या संदीचो फायदो घेवपाक आमकां सगळ्या 10वी पास जाल्ल्या भुरग्यांनी अशा पद्दतीत ITI आसतले, डिप्लोमा आसतले किंवा आमच्या हाज्या फुडें उलोवपी तुमकां हेजेर डिटेलान सगळें मार्गदर्शन करतले की वेरियस कोर्सीस एवेलेबल आफ्टर 10th पास तुमी सगळ्यांनी एडमिशन घेवचें. अशाच पद्दतीचो व्हर्च्युअल करियर गायडन्स फ्रॉम द CMO आनी डायरेक्टर ऑफ एड्युकेशन हे 12th स्टँडर्डचो रिजल्ट जाल्या उपरांत आफ्टर 12th करियर ऑपॉर्च्युनिटीज इन द स्टेट ह्या विशयाचेर CMO ऑफिसांतल्यान तुमकां मार्गदर्शन केलें वयतलें. आफ्टर दॅट हॉस्पिटॅलिटी सॅक्टर किंवा सर्वीस सॅक्टर हाजेरूय बी केन्ना तरी फुडल्या विकांत मार्गदर्शन केलें वयतलें. इवन दो द स्कॉलरशिप्स प्रेजेंट इन द वेरियस स्टेटींत आसलेल्यो स्कॉलरशिप्स खंयच्यो खंयच्यो आसा ताजेर सुद्दां गायडन्स हेय बी आमच्या CMO ऑफिसांतल्यान वेरियस प्रोग्रामांतल्यान केलें वयतलें. तुमी खूब बरो रिस्पॉन्स आयच्या ह्या कार्यक्रमाक दिलो. हांव जर पळयतालो की वेबॅक्स मिटिंगेन जवळपास 1,500च्या पेक्षा प्लस स्टुडंट्स एटेंड जाल्ले, त्या कारणान आमकां YouTube आनी Facebook हाजेर लायव्ह वयचें पडलें. हांव परत एकदां सगळ्यांचें खूब खूब अभिनंदन करता आनी खरोखरच तुमकां हांव सुयेश चिंतिता तुमी करियर घडोवपा खातीर तुमी सदोदीत एक पावल फुडें रावतले आनी तुमचें बरें करियर सगळ्यांचें घडचें हें देवा लागीं मागता. देव बरें करूं.
हे आशिल्ले आमचे माननीय मुखेलमंत्री डॉक्टर प्रमोदजी सावंत. खरेंच हांव इतलो वेळ तांकां आयकतालो, तुमी सगळे आयकताले. सामके बारीकसाणीन सगळ्यो गजाली सांगल्यात मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी. करियर पळात, फकत आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स आनी सायन्स अश्यो स्ट्रीम न्ही, कितलेशेच आनीक स्ट्रीम्स आसात जातूंतल्यान तुमी तुमचें करियर करूंक शकता. आज तकनिकी शिक्षणा खातीर गोंय सरकार सर्वतोपरी मदत करता. ताजे खातीर कांय फ्रीशिप्स आसात, स्कॉलरशिप्स आसात. हे सुद्दां मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी कालच्या यूथ स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट प्रोग्रामाचे त्या कार्यक्रमांत सांगिल्ले. देव बरें करूं सर. आतां मुखार आमी ह्या कार्यावळीन या. ताजे पयलीं डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम हांचें एक वचन म्हाका याद जाता, तें तुमकां SSC भुरग्यां खातीर सामकें लागू जाता. कोट अनकोट आमचे मानादीक माजी राष्ट्रपती डॉक्टर APJ अब्दुल कलाम. तांणी म्हणिल्लें, डोंट टेक रेस्ट आफ्टर युअर फर्स्ट विक्ट्री. ते म्हणटात, डोंट टेक रेस्ट आफ्टर युअर फर्स्ट विक्ट्री बिकॉज इफ यू फेल इन सेकंड, मोर लिप्स आर वेटिंग टू से दॅट युअर फर्स्ट विक्ट्री वॉज जस्ट अ लक. तुम्ही यश जोडलां धावेक. आतां मुखार जशें यश जोडलां, जशे तुम्ही प्रयत्न केल्ले, जशे परिश्रम घेतल्या, तेच परिश्रम मुखार चालू दवरात. आमचे मुखावेले स्पीकर हांव तांकां आपयतां, श्री मनोज सावयकर, एसिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ एज्युकेशन. हायर सेकंडरी कोर्सीस खंयचे खंयचे आसात ताजे बद्दल ते म्हायती दितले. श्री मनोज सावयकर.
Dear students, good evening. I will present in brief. Dear students, good evening. I will present in brief an information about the courses available in all the higher secondary schools which are affiliated to Goa Board of Secondary and Higher Secondary Education in this state of Goa. First of all, we have three main courses which are named as Arts, Science and Commerce. These are called as main streams, wherein you can pursue higher secondary education of 11th and 12th standard. You can answer the 12th standard Goa board examination and go for joining higher education in different colleges in the state of Goa, thereby continuing your education to post-graduation and higher up. Apart from this, we have another important area. There are 14 vocational courses in 48 government higher secondaries, which includes 40 aided higher secondaries, whereas remaining all 8 higher secondaries have these courses, where you can pursue higher secondary education in these streams, and then according to the subjects, you can have your vertical mobility for your further education. To add to general streams, there are 80 high schools and 32 higher secondary schools have been provided with skill-based subjects under National Skill Development Program, Government of India. There are 14 skills been identified under NSQF, National Skill Qualification Framework, and these facilities can be availed while studying in general streams of Arts, Science and Commerce. So when you will take the admissions to these courses, you can identify if your institution, your higher secondary where you are pursuing your 11th and 12th, whether these courses are available in this. This includes automobile, healthcare, retail, IT, beauty and wellness, apparel, construction, electronics and hardware, telecom, media and entertainment, logistic, tourism, hospitality, agriculture, etc. Wherein these are not special courses, but these are in addition to your regular subjects when you will pursue, when you will take admissions for arts, science and or commerce. Apart from this, as I have said, there are 14 vocational courses in different higher secondary schools which you can also choose, then selecting any of the stream from arts, science and commerce, wherein they are equally equipped with your 11th and 12th standard, and then you can join, have your vertical mobility in this direction. There are three main types of courses. First is commerce-based course, which includes accountancy and auditing, office management, marketing and salesmanship, travel and tourism techniques, banking and insurance, industrial management. Second type is home science-based courses that includes bakery and confectionery, catering and restaurant management, commercial garment designing and making. And then the third category is science-based courses, maintenance and repairs of electrical and electronic domestic appliances, computer technique, electronic technology, auto engineering technology, horticulture, floriculture, and healthcare science. So any one course you can opt for going for or studying 11th and 12th. You can answer your board exam in this, and then upon clearing your board exam standard 12th, you can opt higher education, that is graduation or related courses in these vocational streams. There are number of places available, including in the state as well as outside the state, where you can pursue this bachelor's in vocational and allied courses. Apart from this, you can also will be efficient to have your own businesses, entrepreneurship, when you will complete these courses. So with this, the related information, if you need any help, the information will be already sent to your institutions directly, your schools, where you can communicate and get the information. Thank you.
हे आशिल्ले श्री मनोज सावयकर, असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ एज्युकेशन. तांणी सांगिल्ले प्रमाण जे जनरल कोर्सीस आसात, म्हणजे खास करून हायर सेकंडरी कोर्सेस, आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स आणि वेगवेगळे वोकेशनल कोर्सेस, हाजे बद्दलची माहिती तांणी दिली. ताज्या भायर जर आनीक कितें जर तुमकां माहिती जाय जाल्यार ADIचें ऑफिस आसतलें किंवा तांचे नंबर तुमचे कडेन ते शेअर करतले ह्या सगळ्या संदर्भांत, किंवा कोणाकय जर एडमिशनाक जर त्रास जाता जाल्यार तांणी सुद्दां डायरेक्टर ऑफ एज्युकेशनाक फोन करून ताजी मदत घेवं येता. हाजे नंतर आमचे बरोबर आसात डॉक्टर दीपक CS गायतोंडे, जे डिग्री आणि डिप्लोमा स्टेट लेवल एडमिशन कमिटीचे चेअरमॅन आसात, डायरेक्टर ऑफ टेक्निकल एज्युकेशनाचे. तशेंच गव्हर्मेंट पॉलिटेक्निक पणजीचे ते हेड ऑफ द डिपार्टमेंट आसात. ते आमकां गायड करतले टेक्निकल कोर्सेस अंडर DTE. तुमकां सगळ्यांक खबर आसा की अशे टेक्निकल कोर्सेस ज्या कोर्सेसांनी आमी कमी वचपाक सोदता, म्हणजे आमी पारंपारीक जाले चड फक्त आर्ट्स, कॉमर्स आणि सायन्स, ताज्या भायर कितलेशेच कोर्सेस आसा, त्या टेक्निकल कोर्सेसाची तुमकां म्हायती दितले डॉक्टर दीपक गायतोंडे. तुमचें स्वागत आसा आणि तुमी तुमचें प्रेझेंटेशन दियात.
A very good evening to all of you who have joined in for this very, very important program which has been envisaged by the CMO and Education Department. First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you all because you have passed this particular exam, SSC exam, with flying colors. I'm sure one question which would haunting you and your parents, your well-wishers, that what next after SSC? Now there is vast opportunities available in diverse fields, maybe in technical and other fields. However, my mandate is to enlighten you on the courses which are available and opportunities which are available in technical education in the state of Goa. Why technical education? Atmanirbhar Bharat is a vision envisaged by the Honorable Prime Minister of India, aimed at making the country and its citizens self-reliant and independent. To achieve this objective, we need to develop and manufacture goods within the country itself. For this, the country requires trained manpower, having innovative minds and skill sets, which you would certainly gain and obtain if you enroll yourself in institutions under the Directorate of Technical Education. Friends, we have 5 polytechnics in all. There are 3 government polytechnics, which is in Panjim, Bicholim and Kurcharem. We have aided institutions, which is Agnel Polytechnic, Verna, and the Institute of Shipbuilding Technology, Vasco. Next. I'm sure all of you are aware of the conventional courses. These are civil, mechanical, electrical, electronics, and other courses. These are supposed to be conventional courses. Now, civil, as you all know, is involved in construction and building of roads, building of bridges, etc. Mechanical is involved in machines and manufacturing activities. Electrical is concerned with power generation, its distribution and maintenance. Computers and electronics. If there was no computer and electronic engineers, then I don't think you will be able to watch this program live. These courses are 3-year courses, having 8 weeks of compulsory industrial training. Next. In addition to these courses, we have architecture assistantship, garment technology, electronics and instrumentation, fabrication and erection, shipbuilding engineering, and automobile. Now, architecture assistantship, the architect is responsible for the planning and the aesthetics of the structure. He actually works in tandem with the civil engineer. Garment technology provides you an insight of how to produce a garment. You can work as a fashion designer, you can work as a backdrop designer, even you can work as event coordinator, pattern making, cutters, maybe store manager, etc. There's a unique course which is called as instrumentation engineering, that's electronic and instrumentation. This is actually the process control. When you go to industries, how the industries actually work, how the production comes up, that we have to control. To control that, you have something called as an instrumentation engineer who monitors the processes. Then we have something called as fabrication engineering. Fabrication is a mix or amalgamation of civil and mechanical courses which deal with the erection and commissioning of large structures, factory buildings, bus body buildings, etc. Shipbuilding, I think, deals with all the aspects, and this is actually a unique course in India. Unique course in the sense it meets worldwide manpower demand for shipyard and ship firms. It's a highly paid job. Automobile industry, I think I don't have to tell you much. If you love automobiles and if you want to fiddle with your parents' cars and bikes, then you can certainly go into this. You will get the ins and out. We have changed revised the syllabus just 1 or 2 years back. And that is why you can get the latest in automobile technology. All these actually are 4-year courses. Government Polytechnic has 9 courses. You can see it on the screen. You can see the seat distribution also on the screen. Most of them are 3-year courses, which are having 8 weeks of industrial training. And there is one course which is fabrication, which is having of 4 years, which is having 1 year of industrial training. Next. Agnel Polytechnic, Verna. You have 6 courses, and they have 3 4-year courses, which is having 1 year industrial training. Next. Then we have Institute of Shipbuilding, and as I told you, there is a very unique course which is shipbuilding in addition to mechanical and electronics engineering. We also have Government Polytechnic Bicholim, which is having 3-year courses, civil, mechanical, electronics, and electrical. We also have Government Polytechnic Kurchorem, which is having 3 courses, mechanical, electrical and electronics, and computer engineering. Eligibility criteria. It's very simple. You have to only pass the 10th standard from a recognized board. We have reservation policy. In the reservation policy, we have the SC, ST, OBC, economically weaker section, and others. Coming to fees, I think we have written there DJ gift. You have to only pay 10,000 rupees per semester. Now, what is this DJ gift? It is a Diamond Jubilee gift from our Honorable CM, which has been announced just 2 or 3 days back, that the rest of the amount, the actual amount is actually 23,000. But what you're supposed to pay is only 10,000 rupees. Next. What a pass out can do. Self-employment, I will tell you, they have all the necessary knowledge for self-employment and entrepreneurship. They are actually, most of them have been job givers. The other option is you can take a job somewhere in industry, the government sector, public sector, or private sector. And the third, you can also go into higher education. 10% seats are actually reserved in each BE course in degree courses for diploma pass-outs. How to apply? Now, if you are interested in these courses, then kindly log on to our website, www.dt.goa.gov.in, and also you can email us if you have any queries, or there's a helpline which is given on your screen. Now, if you want to apply, in a few days' time, we will actually roll out the site for application. And this year, for eligibility, I would say, you have to answer compulsorily the CET which is conducted by Goa Board. Feel free, we will wait to welcome you in the technical fold. Thank you very much.
देव बरें करूं. डॉक्टर दीपक गायतोंडे. पण कितलेशेच कोर्सीस आसा टेक्निकल कोर्सीस. आमचे कडेन 5 पॉलिटेक्निक्स आसा गोंयांत, तातूंत वेगवेगळे कोर्सीस आसात. हांव परत एकदां सांगता, फक्त पारंपारीक कोर्सीस सोडून बाकीच्या सगळ्या कोर्सीसाचो आमी विचार करया. अशें म्हणटात की सक्सेस इज नेवर एन एक्सिडेंट, इट इज द रिजल्ट ऑफ रायट डिसिजन एट द रायट टायम. आतां एक संधी आसा की तुमचें करियर करपाक, की आतां तुमी 10वी क्लियर केला तेन्ना रायट डिसिजन घेयात आनी जाल्यारच मागीर तुमचें करियर सारकें जातलें, तुमचो वेवसाय, तुमचो धंदो मुखार सारको जातलो. मुखार आमचे बरोबर आसात डॉक्टर श्री राजेश लोलयेकर, ते असिस्टंट डायरेक्टर ऑफ स्कील डेव्हलपमेंट एंड एंटरप्रेन्युअरशीप. तांचे कडेन आमी माहिती जाणून घेवया टेक्निकल कोर्सीस, खास करून ITIन जे टेक्निकल कोर्सीस आसता ताचे बद्दलची. श्री राजेश बाब, तुमकां स्वागत आसा तुमचें, आनीक तुमचें सेशन तुमी सुरू करात.
Good evening, everybody. First of all, I would like to congratulate all the students who have cleared their SSC. And as Honorable CM said, for those 67 or 65 who failed, for them this is not the end. There is the opportunity again to appear or go to vocational courses and many other options. So I'll start with options available in Directorate of Skill Development. We call it Industrial Training Institute. Name of the directorate is Directorate of Skill Development. Now we have 10 government and 3 private ITIs in Goa. We offer 28 one-year and 15 two-year courses of engineering and non-engineering streams. Now, in addition to our conventional courses like fitter, turner, electrician, we have gone for new courses that called new age courses like in-plant logistic, lift and escalator mechanic, solar technician, electrical. These courses have been introduced from this year. These three particular courses, what I mentioned now, are of 1 year duration. But there are other courses of 2 year duration, like our conventional courses are continuing. Now, entry qualification for these courses is 8th pass, 10th pass and 12th pass. There are 3 different types of courses. Majority of courses are at 8th pass and 10th pass eligibility, but from last year we have diversified into health sector courses. The only course available in ITI at ITI Panjim is multi-purpose health worker, and 12th pass is the eligibility for this course. And for first year we got 13 numbers admission, and they are undergoing training at Panjim ITI theory part and practical part in Institute of Nursing Education, Bambolim. Now, tuition fees. Fees applicable for our courses is 2,500 for a general category student. For reserved category like SC, ST, OBC, and those who are having annual income less than 3 lakhs will be given waiver of tuition fees. That is, they need not pay for tuition fees. But this caution money deposit is a refundable amount that they have to pay. That will they get it back once they complete the course. Next option after passing SSC for technical courses is we have a body called Human Resource Development Foundation under this directorate. Now, only private institutes are registered under this body. Now, at present there are 53 private institutes registered. Now, courses offered are again technical courses like fitter, turner, electrician. But in addition to courses like hospitality, sewing, fashion designing, Montessori teaching, these are the different courses available. And one more thing is about home nursing course. These courses are conducted under this body. This fee structure is a liberty of private institutes. Since this directorate is not giving any grant to them, they are free to charge their own fees, but there is watch by this directorate so that they are not charging exorbitant. So this care is taken. Entry qualification for these courses is 8th and 10th pass. Certification by Human Resource Development Society, and there is in certificate it is clearly mentioned is Government of Goa Undertaking Society. So students passing out from these courses definitely can apply for jobs in industry as well as in government, provided this qualification is available in RR as per government guideline. Third option is the Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. This scheme was launched by Honorable Prime Minister in 2016. This is third option, third phase is going on. These are all hourly basis courses, 160, 200, 300, 400 hourly basis courses. The main feature of this scheme is students need not pay for these courses. Training and assessment cost is fully borne by Government of India through state government. Certificates are awarded, NCVT certificates are awarded after passing out, and placement assistance is given by institute. Now, which are these institutes? ITI, all 10 governments are also registered as a training provider under Pradhan Mantri Kaushal Vikas Yojana. We call it a PMKVY. In addition to that, private institutes are also registered under it at TP and TC. They also train them. There are 7 private institutes in Goa. These details are on our website. I will be sharing our website address to you at the end of this presentation. You can visit this website and find out which are the courses available in different places in Goa. In addition to that, as a special drive to prepare COVID warriors, Government of India has launched on 15th of last month crash courses in health sector. There are 5 different courses: health, home aid, multi facility course like for assistant to nurses. These crash courses details are also available, and we have started one course already at Sai Nursing Sankli, and we have contacted major hospitals in Goa to register them as a training provider. These details are also available. We have already issued 3 advertisements on this. You can visit the site and find out what are the crash courses available. After passing out a crash course of 4 months, there is an opportunity in hospitals, government and private hospitals in Goa. Now, equivalency and vertical mobility. As the Honorable CM mentioned in his speech, there is an opportunity for students which are passing out from ITI with the trade of 8th standard eligibility. They can appear for only 2 languages, and if they pass those 2 subjects, they will get a equivalency of 10th certificate. That 10th certificate after passing out course of ITI. Similarly, with 2 years course, a student passes this 2 year course, then go for languages, pass these languages and get a certificate of 12th standard. So this is a good opportunity to get ITI as well as this SSC and 12th certificate. And even there is a upward mobility for those courses. They can take admission in like BSc, BA and BCom. Also, Goa University has also given consent to admit such trainees. Those who have got equivalency, they can be admitted in FY as Arts, Science and Commerce. Then next option is for ITI students for upward mobility. Now, upward mobility is once a student passes 2-year course, he or she can apply for diploma course, and if there are seats vacant in the second year, then he or she can get an admission to directly second year. So saving 1 year of diploma, and they can complete the diploma in 2 years. And if there are good marks obtained in the final year or during the course of diploma, the student can go for degree also. And I'm proud to say that some 18 or 20 odd students have already completed degree in such a route. And one of the students is working at good post in Germany. This is the detail shared by the student. So ITI is not the end. After ITI, you can go to diploma, complete your diploma, go to degree, and you are equivalent to a person who has already got good marks, a merit student at SSC level. He can compete with that student at the end of the career. So it's a good opportunity to go for degree also. Other initiatives of this department are dual system of training. I'll just briefly mention you that we have started some courses. Suppose 1 year course. So far, full training of theory and practical was being conducted in ITI, but we have started few courses with the help of industry, wherein 3 months of theory training will be conducted in ITI and 9 months in practical in industry directly. Now, main advantage of this course is students are getting hands-on experience in industry. These industry people can judge them during this 9 months. If they are good enough, they will be absorbed by industry directly. 2 courses have been started already, welder at MAPSA and food production at Perne. I'm happy that welder trade trainees have already been absorbed by the industry under this system of training. We have started MOU with, we have signed MOU with Siemens, Maruti Suzuki, Hyundai Motors to have tie-up with industry so that we can place more and more trainees after they complete their training. Entrepreneurship development is a part of our directorate. We prepare the dossier of students who are interested in starting their small unit after passing of ITI. So at the end of the course, the dossier ready, we call bank officers to give details about Mudra loan. We call MSME officers to explain them what are the job opportunities available to start their own business. Now coming to online process, admission process are online from last year. The filling of online application form will be available from 26th of July, that is from this month. Detailed procedure for filling up the form is available on our portal. We have tied up with Goa Electronics Limited. Through Goa Electronics Limited, we are completing this online procedure. Now, Goa Online portal site and our department website has been mentioned. I'll repeat it. Our website address is dsde.goa.gov.in and goaonline.gov.in. You can visit on this site to find out what is the procedure to apply, how to select the choices of trade, how to select the choices of ITI. Now, coming to contact details of our directorate, directorate name is Directorate of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship. Earlier, it was State Directorate of Craftsman Training. Our phone numbers are 243-7059 and 243-7314. You can send mails in case of any difficulties on dir-sdct.goa@nic.in. Our website address, I'll repeat, dsde.goa.gov.in. Now, in addition to that, we are offering merit and BPL scholarship to the trainees of ITI. Now, what is merit scholarship? A 40% student are awarded merit scholarship after clearing their merit scholarship test. And this amount is 250 right now. We have proposed to 500 per trainee per month. BPL scholarship is for SC, ST, and those who are having less than 3 lakh annual income will be given 600 rupees per month per trainee as a BPL scholarship. In addition to that, SC and ST candidates are given a toolkit worth rupees 2,500 during their training period, and they are allowed to take that toolkit home so that once they pass out, they should be able to take smaller jobs of their own with this toolkit. They need not go for toolkit of their parents' course. This is the scheme started from last year. So, while concluding, I would like to say that ITI course is not like end of the career this system, or people used to think that ITI, who can go to ITI? Those who are not getting admission anywhere, they can go to ITI. It's not the case now. With ITI admission, you can build up your career, you can go for your own business, you can go to degree, you can go to diploma, you can go for a job in industries. We have conducted a placement fair at different 8 places yesterday, and 1,300 trainees of last year appeared for this interviews. 112 companies came for campus interviews, and I am proud to say that 426 have been offered job either on contract basis or on apprenticeship basis in these industries. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. This presentation was from Mr. Rajesh Loliekar on various technical courses that our ITIs have. In fact, this video will serve as a complete guide for our SSC student. And this is in public domain. This is on CMO's page. This is on CMO's FB page as well as on CMO's YouTube channel. लक्षात आयलें कितें सांगता न्ही, जर कोणाक हो व्हिडिओ अजून मेळूंक ना जाल्यार हो व्हिडिओ मुद्दाम शेअर करात, कारण 10वी नंतर कितें कितें करूंक येता हाजी टोटल 4 सेशनां मदीं वेगवेगळ्या वक्त्यांनी आज सगळे डिटेल्स सांगला. ताचे खातीर जर कोणाक हो आज लायव्ह पळोवपाक मेळूं ना कार्यक्रम जाल्यार नक्कीच हो व्हिडिओ शेअर करात. आता आमी ह्या कार्यावळीच्या निमाणे सेशना कडेन येवया. आमचे मदीं आसात श्री रुपेश शेट, मॅरिटायम स्कूल बिट्टोणाचे प्रिंसिपल आसात. ते आमकां मॅरिटायम इन्स्टिट्यूट बिट्टोनान जे वेगवेगळे टेक्निकल कोर्सीस आसा ताजे बद्दलची म्हायती दितले. रुपेश बाब, तुमकां येवकार.
Good evening all. Those who don't know what is a maritime school, let me give a brief introduction about it. Maritime school is a branch of Captain of Ports Department, and it was initiated in September 1972. Here what we exactly teach is how to we impart them the knowledge of inland waterways and inland waters. So inland waters means basically the vessels which go inside the rivers, that are called inland vessels, and our rivers are called inland waters. So the duration of our course is 4 months, and with a nominal fees of 900 rupees for new intern. The minimum qualification required for our admission is 7th pass, and they should know to swim. This is the main thing. Now, for plying of the vessel, we require 2 types of people in that vessel. One is who can ply the vessel, and other who is authorized to maintain the engine. So, with respect to that, we have 2 disciplines. That is, we call it trades. So we have 6 courses in that, which is basically divided into 2 departments, that is the deck department and the engine trade. In deck trade, we have the courses like Sarang, 2nd class engine master, inland master, 1st class inland master, and in engine trade, we have 2nd class engine driver, 1st class engine driver, and inland engineer. Now, what exactly we teach in deck side is we provide them the information, basic information about the vessel, what are the rules to be followed while while plying that vessel, reading the tide table. Tide table is basically the high tides and the low tides of the rivers, whichever are there, so that the vessel can pass through the waters safely without grounding. Now, we also teach them what are the storm signals and inland vessel X, different X in that. For the engine side, we teach them how to maintain the engine. That there are mainly in the barges there are 2 engines, the main engines, and there are 2 auxiliary engines. So, what exactly is to be looked into the engine so that it is maintained properly? Like what are the parameters to be checked, different machineries in the engine room, and how to maintain the auxiliary engine, etc. We also do some practicals and demos. we have a workshop in our institute wherein we show different parts of the engine to our students. We also conduct them firefighting and first aid training. We take our students for field visits to the places like NIO, Aguada Lighthouse, and some private shipyards so that they get a practical knowledge of what exactly we are dealing with. So after the completion of the course, what exactly are the career opportunities? In to go to say in the government departments, one can apply for captain of ports department, river navigation department, tourism department, and other things like the private vessels, whichever are handling the engine parts and whichever are propelled with an engine, they can apply for that, like barges. Okay, so basically, whoever is aspirant of making the career in marine field, this can be said as a step one for their career. The other information, in any case, like for the information to contact us is, the phone number is 0832-241-7310, and the email address is maritimeschool9@gmail.com. Thank you.
खूब देव बरें करूं रुपेश बाब. खूब जाण आमचे भुरगे जांकां बोटीचेर किंवा दर्यावर्दी म्हणून करियर करपाचें आसा तांचे खातीर हें स्कूल आसा आनी तांचे खातीर हे कोर्सीस आशिल्ले. हांव परत एकदां सांगता, हो व्हिडिओ जांकां पळोवपाक मेळूं ना तांणी नक्कीच, म्हणजे खास करून SSCचे भुरगे जे आतां पास जाल्यात तांकां शेअर करात. इट इज अ कंप्लीट गायड फॉर SSC स्टुडंट्स. आज आमचे बरोबर आशिल्ले खुद्द मुखेलमंत्र्यांनी हे सेशन सुरू केलां. परत एकदां सांगता की CMO कार्यालयान, CMOच्या ऑफिसांतल्यान, डायरेक्टर शिक्षण संचालनालयान एक इनिशिएटीव घेवन आज ही कार्यावळ तुमच्या खातीर खास करून SSC भुरग्यां खातीर केल्या. अशेच तरेची एक कार्यावळ 12वीच्या रिझल्टा नंतर आसतली. 12वी नंतर वेगवेगळे ऑप्शन्स कितें आसा त्या संदर्भात ही कार्यावळ आसतली. आयज 4 सेशन जाली. तातूंत मनोज सावयकर हांणी हायर सेकंडरीच्या कोर्सेसा बद्दल माहिती दिली. ताजे नंतर दीपक गायतोंडे हांणी टेक्निकल कोर्सेस, खास करून पॉलिटेक्नीक हातून कितें कितें कोर्सेस आसात ताजे बद्दल सांगले. ताजे नंतर राजेश लोलयेकर तांणी ITI कोर्सेसा बद्दल सांगले. आनी आतां रुपेश शेट हांणी मरीटायम इन्स्टिट्यूट बिठ्ठोना हातून कितें कितें कोर्सेस आसा ते सांगल्या. तुमकां सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. परत एकदां मागता की हो व्हिडिओ शेअर करचो, जाता तितलो शेअर करचो, कारण आमच्या 10वीच्या भुरग्यांक जर तांचें करियर बरें घडोवपाक जाय जाल्यार तांकां खबर आसपाक जाय की खंयचे खंयचे कोर्सेस आसा. तुमकां सगळ्यांक, पालकांक, भुरग्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा. देव बरें करूं.